Let's go ride with Dante and Payton. And hit the lot and practice some wheelies. I don't know what else. Maybe get some food. Yeah, dog. Oh my God, they're puppies again. Dante, Payton.
Huh?
You're gonna do a dual vlog. Corey hashes, stacking the bales. Dante's getting drugged up to ride. Tee! Whoa, Grandma, stay on the road. She about fucked her day up right there. This one?
65, I think, brand new.
Don't need to be going 140 or anything like that. Is this legal for me to be doing? Watch this! He was fucking looking and had a huge smile on his face. You made his fucking day, man. He's gonna go buy a bike now. Would you fuck off? That thing's old as fuck. Pretty cool up here.